Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gloria, and today I've got a 5-minute back workout that is going to be strengthening your back muscles to give you that beautiful and confident posture. First, let's warm up. We're going to exhale as you round your back and inhale as you curve your back with your gaze to the ceiling. Again, let's repeat. Exhale as you round your back and inhale as you curve your back. Now we're going to extend your right leg and left arm to the front. And our gaze will be at the top of your mat. And lightly tap the floor. And we're going to lift. Lightly tap and lift. 6 more. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. We're going to hold both arm and leg out and give big rainbows with your arm. 8. Exhale as you bring it to the back. 7, 6, 5, don't drop your leg. 4 and 3, slowly rainbow. 2 and last 1. Now we're going to hold that position and let's reach for our ankle and deep breath. Gaze to the top. Let's do one more deep breath. Now extend back both arm and leg, and let's repeat on our other side. This time we're going to extend your left leg and right arm to the front and lightly tap the floor and lift. Lightly tap the floor and lift. Tap and lift. 6 more. 5, 4, and 3. Keep breathing. 2, and last 1. Now let's hold both arm and leg out and give big rainbows with your arm. 7, 6. Keep your leg up high. 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Now let's hold that position and let's reach for our ankle and deep breath. Let's do one more deep breath. And now extend both arm and leg back to our original position. And let's do a quick child's pose to give a quick breather. And slowly come back up. Now sit back straight and open your arm using your back and close your arm. You can incorporate small weights here. If you don't have one, just make sure you just do it with lots of resistance and it's still going to give you that good burn. Let's do 5 more. And 4, 3. You should be feeling your wings move. 2, and the last one. Now holding one arm to the side, and let's reach for the sky with our left arm and pull down your arm, squeezing your lats. Give me 7 more. Squeeze. 6. Exhale as you squeeze. And 5, 4, 3 and 2 and 1. Again, we're going to do to the other side. Squeeze down. Exhale as you squeeze down. 6 and 5 and 4, 3, 2, and last one. Again, sit back straight, and this time we're just going to open your arms using your back and close. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's extend both arms to the back, and we're just going to give little pulses. Little pulses using your back muscles. This will target your arms as well. Keep breathing. And now bring both arms to the front, and let's do a child's pose. And deep breaths. Now bring both arms even further to the front to stretch our shoulders. And we're going to bring one arm across and continue this stretch with deep breaths. Bring that arm back, and let's cross our other arm to the other side and deep breaths. And back to your square position, and slowly come back up. And that, my friends, was the end of this 5-minute quick back workout. I hope you guys enjoyed the burn. If you loved the workout, don't forget to give this video a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with a family or a friend to share more happiness. I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.